Start the machine. Press the key C. Press key Year. Select Type. Select DAP/CH. Multiple. Select Setup. Stable configuration. Select Arlim. Power supply type. Select Power. Dry cell. Select Config. Measurement configuration. Select NCH/AN. Select CH4. Select Calib. Select DAXI. Set to 10,000 per 0. Select Range 1. Set to 10,000 per 0. Select Range 1. Select Calin P. Select NTP. Select N1. Select TP0. Escape from number EQ. Press Print. Select DDT1. Select the calibrated cargo weight. Factory calibration data 1,001 kilograms. Lift the vehicle to make the weights off the ground. Once the vehicle becomes steady, exit from equal and lower the vehicle. Press the print and restart the equipment.